discover the enchanting marble caves of Chile. Imagine a place where nature itself has taken millennia to carve its most extraordinary masterpiece, hidden deep in the wild, untouched landscapes of Chilean Patagonia. This is the Marble Caves, or Catedrales de Mármol, where swirling marble formations and luminous waters create a sanctuary of breathtaking beauty. Get ready to embark on a journey to a destination like no other, a place that is not only a feast for the eyes, but also food for the soul. A place that promises to fill you with wonder, awe, and a deep connection to the incredible power of nature. Let's explore the magic of the Marble Caves. Chile is home to some of the most awe-inspiring landscapes in the world, but deep within its rugged southern region lies a pristine treasure few have ever seen. Nestled on the tranquil General Carrera Lake, the Marble Caves are a hidden gem, waiting to be discovered by those adventurous enough to seek them out. This remote natural wonder, created by thousands of years of water erosion, is the perfect destination for travelers who yearn for something extraordinary. From the swirling blues and grays of the cave's walls to the glass-like turquoise water that reflects the sunlight in a dazzling display, this is no ordinary spectacle. It is nature's artwork, raw and untouched. The Marble Caves are not just a destination. They're a journey into a world few have experienced, a portal to a serene yet thrilling adventure. The road to this incredible destination begins in Patagonia, one of the most breathtakingly remote regions on Earth. Your journey starts with winding roads flanked by sprawling landscapes that shift between snow-capped mountains, crystal-clear rivers, and endless skies. Every turn on this adventurous drive reminds you that the best things are often found far from the noise of crowded cities. Eventually, the wandering roads bring you to General Carrera Lake, where your real adventure begins. The lake itself is a mesmerizing sight, with its mirror-like waters stretching on for miles. As you board a small boat for the final leg of your trip, the anticipation builds. From the gentle hum of the motor to the crisp air on your skin, the approach to the Marble Caves feels like peeling back the layers of a long-kept secret. As your boat gently glides closer, you notice glimpses of streaked marble peeking out over the turquoise waters. The thrill is palpable. This is what traveling is all about. Those moments of discovery that make you grateful to witness something so special. As you enter the Marble Caves, it feels as though you've stepped into another world entirely. At first glance, the caves appear to be alive, each swirl of marble telling the story of time, water, and the patience of nature. The cavern walls are alive with intricate patterns in hues of pearly white, slate gray, and sapphire blue. The secret to their beauty lies in the way the light hits the water. Rays of sunlight bounce off the lake's surface, casting an ethereal glow on the marble walls. Depending on the time of day and season, the colors shift, creating endless variations. It's a reminder of how nature is constantly evolving, even in its stillness. Every corner of the caves offers a new vista. Some spaces are narrow and intimate, with smooth marble surfaces you can almost touch from the boat. Other areas open into grand chambers where you can gaze upward, marveling at this cathedral-like structure sculpted entirely by water. It's breathtaking, not just for its grandeur, but for its simplicity, a masterpiece that needed no human hand to perfect it. While the Marble Caves feel like a dreamscape, their creation is grounded in meticulous natural processes. Over 6,000 years, water from General Carrera Lake has relentlessly washed against calcium carbonate rock, carving and polishing it into the shapes we see today. The result is a labyrinth of caves, tunnels, and columns that look as though an artist painted them. The lake's unique mineral properties contribute to its distinct turquoise hue, which gives the caves their magical glow. The interplay of the lake's color and the marble's patterns creates an ever-changing display, ensuring that no two visits are ever the same. Nature, in its quiet perseverance, has created something far more magical than we ever could. What sets the Marble Caves apart from other natural wonders is their deeply personal effect on everyone who visits. Here there are no bustling crowds or neon signs, no distractions from the raw beauty that surrounds you. The stillness of the caves and the soft sound of water echoing against marble invoke a sense of peace and reflection. Standing, or floating, in this geological marvel reminds you of your humble place in nature's grand design. It's not just a visual experience, it's deeply emotional, sparking a childlike wonder and awe that's all too rare in today's fast-paced world. For travel enthusiasts, the Marble Caves aren't just a checkmark on a bucket list. They're a place to pause, breathe, and reconnect with the simple brilliance of the earth. Visiting the Marble Caves comes with a sense of adventure. Their remote location means you'll need to plan carefully, but the journey will be more than worth it. ***, when to visit. The caves are most stunning between September and February during Patagonia's warm season. The increased sunlight enhances the vivid colors, making the experience even more magical. ***, how to get there. Fly into Balmaceda or Coyhaique, then take a scenic road trip along the Carretera Austral to General Carrera Lake. Boat tours to the caves are available from the small town of Puerto Rio Tranquilo. ***, sustainability comes first. The delicate beauty of the caves relies on responsible tourism. Opt for eco-friendly tours and ensure you leave no trace of your visit. For the adventurous at heart, the journey to the Marble Caves will be as fulfilling as the destination itself. Every twist of the road and ripple in the lake builds anticipation until you finally stand in the presence of this magical place. Travel is not only about discovering new places, but about experiencing something transformative, something that changes the way you see the world. The Marble Caves do exactly this. They remind us of the extraordinary harmony in nature, where patience and persistence yield unimaginable beauty. Every reflection on the water, each curve of marble, and every moment of hushed reverence in the caves leaves a lasting impression. It's impossible to stand here and not feel inspired to protect and cherish these unspoiled corners of the earth. To those who yearn for inspiration in their travels, the Marble Caves are not just a destination, they're a beacon. They call upon wanderers and dreamers to venture far beyond the familiar and embrace the untamed beauty of nature. While the Marble Caves are the crown jewel of this area, the Patagonian region offers so much more. From the towering peaks of the Andes to the sweeping plains that stretch into the horizon, every inch of Patagonia is a wonderland for travelers. Nearby, you can hike through some of Patagonia's lesser-known trails to discover hidden waterfalls, expansive glaciers, and peaceful forests. For water lovers, the glacial-fed waters of General Carrera Lake offer kayaking, paddleboarding, and peaceful moments of reflection. The journey to the Marble Caves and beyond presents opportunities to experience the untouched wilderness of one of Earth's most remote regions. When you visit, you take home more than photographs. You leave with a story written by the landscapes themselves. As the light sparkles on the water and dusk begins to fall, leaving the Marble Caves feels bittersweet. You've been touched by something ancient, something timeless, and something few will ever see. In a world of fleeting distractions and constant motion, the Marble Caves urge us to slow down. They remind us that the most meaningful moments in life are often found in the quiet, in the still places where beauty is allowed to flourish, untouched by the rush of time. Let the Marble Caves inspire your journey, not just to Chile, but to anywhere that calls your heart. The world is brimming with wonders waiting to be discovered. Step out, explore, and let the caves be your reminder that true beauty is always worth the effort. Because in the end, we don't travel to escape life. We travel to embrace its immeasurable beauty.